Hi there, good afternoon. You're watching Closing Trades on ET now. I am Snehi Shah, and well, it's not turned out to be a good Monday for our markets at all. Monday mayhem on D Street, if you could call it so, and rightfully so, right? Because the Nifty is lower by about 1% right now. To even hold on to that 25,900 mark. So forget 26,000. That seems like a distant dream away right now. 25,900 also looks very difficult to hold on to. You have the Sensex that's lower by about 0.8%. Nifty Bank, it's actually leading the cuts, a 1.1% cut on the entire banking space. And if you thought that was negative, take a look at the broader market right now, because you have the Nifty Midcap Index that's lower by about 2% right now. And what's even worse, yes, it does get worse, you have the Nifty Small Cap space right now, 2.6% cut on an intraday basis. Remember, the small cap space closed with a cut of about 3% in the week gone by. Today, the first day of the new week itself, the index is lower by about 2.5%. So not looking promising at all for the market right now. In fact, the list of gainers on the Nifty 50 side also are barely 4, out of which HCL Tech is on the flat line. You have HDFC Life, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. That's it. These are your 4 Nifty 50 gainers. And the remaining 46 stocks are seeing some deep cuts, with cuts led by Interglobe. Another 7.5% cut on this stock. So the list of woes doesn't finish for Interglobe. Even after the clarification that's come in on various fronts, you still have a cut of 7.5%. BEL, JSW Steel, Geo Financial, Adani Enterprise, Shriram Finance, Eternal after a 0.5% block deal went through at the market open. That stock also continues to be under pressure. Sectorally, at one point of the day, IT was the only sector in the green on account of the falling rupee, or the rupee that was weakening further. But Nifty IT also is now 0.6% in the red, and this is the least losing sector. It gets really bad for Nifty Realty, a 3.5% cut on an intraday basis coming in. Massive cut today all across the street. Godrej Properties is lower by 6%, Prestige lower by 5%, Anandraj, Sobha, DLF. Real estate is seeing a major bloodbath, followed by PSU banks, media, metal, energy, FMCG, auto, pharma, banks, IT, everything is in the red. While we're talking about some stocks that are in focus, Keynes Technology is lower by about 10%. Honasa Consumer is also lower by about 8%. So these are some stocks that are getting battered in today's trade. But which stocks are in focus right now on the back of their individual news flows and are seeing a lot of price swing? Ishika is joining us in the show with just that.
Right, so starting with SEPC, now the company along with Furlong JV has bagged an LOA worth 86 crores as a service provider for an airport project. And next we also have a market move in Eternal. A block deal of about 0.5% of 5.3 crore shares have changed hands, keeping the stock in action today. Now the shares were traded at 290.4 rupees a piece, valuing the deal at roughly 1,535 crores. Next up, we also have Matrimony.com Limited. It is another one to watch. The board is about to meet on December 15th to consider a share buyback, which may lift sentiment and boost shareholder returns. Furthermore, we also have Coforge. Now, Coforge in the tech space is making a tech-heavy move with an AI-driven mainframe modernization COE. This strengthens its niche positioning in BFSI as well as travel. Moving on, we have Cyient Semiconductors. They've partnered with Navitas to accelerate adoption of their GaN technology to power future AI, mobility, industrial and energy devices. It is a promising tech play to track. Next up, we have Dr. Reddy's. It is in focus after its arm signed a strategic licensing pact with the company Immutep SAS to develop and commercialize a cancer drug in markets such as North America, Europe, Japan and Greater China. It is a long-term oncology pipeline story. Last but not the least, we have Adani Enterprises. They've incorporated a new unit, Adani Airport City Limited, to design, develop, finance and construct infrastructure on airport land parcels.
Okay, Shika, thanks so much for taking us through that. So those are some of the stocks that are in focus right now.